Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Avery, and this is Avery's World. Today we're doing another jewelry unboxing. So how's everyone's day going? My day is going pretty well. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs up. I mainly do jewelry hauls, and I'm a reseller on Poshmark and Mercari. Okay you guys, let's get into the haul. Here we go. Okay, so our first item is this beautiful necklace. It has a red stone and it's got some CZ baguettes. And I think it would be great for casual wear. You could probably wear this every day. Or maybe you might want to wear it for the holidays because of the red stone. You could pair it with a holiday sweater and jeans. Very nice. So let's get into our next item here. We've got these C-shaped earrings. And I think these would be great for casual wear. You could wear them with jeans or a little black dress maybe. I really like these. I think they're pretty cute. Okay, so there's that. Let's get into our next item. We've got this heart pendant on a rope chain. Very pretty. I like the CZs on the heart. I think it's a good size heart. And it's very pretty. This could also be used for casual wear as well. Okay. So our next item, this is just a plain chain. I'll probably pair a pendant with it or do something else with it. It's very pretty and sparkly. Okay, so there's that. And our final item today is this necklace. It's a beautiful necklace with some marcasite. And what's cool about it is that you can change out the stone. It came with four other different stones. And I think that's pretty neat that you can do that. I'll show you the stones now. We've got a light blue stone, it might be Larimar. We've got a green stone, might be aventurine. We've got a dark blue stone, which might be lapis. And then we've got a black stone, it could be onyx. Not really sure, but so yep, you can change out the stone with any one of these. If you're interested in purchasing anything from today's video, you can send me an email or you can head on over to my Poshmark page. Okay you guys, so what was your favorite item from today's haul? My favorite item was this pendant. Okay you guys, see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.